Hi there, it's Marissa. Today I have a digital pocket page that I am decorating. I'm using here the Anecdotal bundle by Allison Pennington, which is quite lovely. There's lots of nice patterned papers and some fun elements. So I'm just going ahead here and putting in my papers, getting a good spreading out the patterns and the colors. And since there's a lot of photos, I don't put anything generally too busy behind the pockets that have the photos in front. I save the fun papers for the empty pockets, like that floral paper down there in the corner. Alright, and now moving on to the elements. First I will pick a likely empty space over here next to this photo, and I will make a little cluster there. Then if I find little word arts while I'm looking around in the kit folder, I'll stick those in, little bits and pieces. But I usually have a main focal point like I do here in this kind of empty area between these two 4x6 areas. So I always like to get elements that will overlap or will take up more than just one pocket space, since it's digital and I can do that here. I do like working with the two pages up next to each other like this, so that when you can see down there on the right side, I'm making another focal area, but I want it to not be near the focal area on the page on the left, if that makes sense. So you see I've kind of put that one down, and now I'm putting this one up at the top to create a triangle between the two pages, so that it kind of helps things flow between them. And then once I get things set like that, then I'll just zoom in on one page so I can have a better close-up view of it and just add in a few little bits and bobs since I have the main areas filled in. I just added some texture to that circle that I created there in the back. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.